Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing nothing but a glowing, chaotic cloud where the moon once was. A silent, cosmic explosion has shattered our lunar companion into pieces. No warning, no explanation, just destruction. But what does that mean for Earth? Could this celestial catastrophe mark the end of life as we know it? Or would humanity find a way to adapt? Let's explore the shocking truth behind what would really happen if the moon suddenly exploded. The moon is more than a pretty light in the sky. It's a stabilizer, a cosmic anchor. It controls tides, helps regulate Earth's rotation, affects animal behavior, and even influences the climate. Without the moon, Earth would be a drastically different place. But what if the moon didn't just vanish, but exploded? What would happen to its debris? Would it rain fire on us? Would tides go wild? Could Earth become uninhabitable? Buckle up. This isn't just science fiction. This is astrophysics on a doomsday scale. The moon is much more than just a beautiful light in the night sky. It serves as a stabilizer, a cosmic anchor for Earth. It controls the tides, helps regulate the planet's rotation, influences animal behavior, and even affects the climate. Without the moon, Earth would be a drastically different place. Let's say, in the blink of an eye, the moon explodes completely. A powerful internal event causes it to shatter into millions of pieces. Not fade, not crash, but explode. The moon's mass, previously in a stable orbit around Earth, is now a fast-moving cloud of hot debris. Imagine, in an instant, the moon explodes completely. A powerful internal event causes it to shatter into millions of pieces. It doesn't just fade away or crash, it explodes. The moon's mass, which was once in a stable orbit around Earth, is now transformed into a fast-moving cloud of hot debris. The first thing you'd notice, if you survive to see it, is a light show in the sky unlike anything ever witnessed. A burst of intense light as the explosion ignites. Pieces of the moon scatter in all directions. Thousands of large chunks enter unstable orbits around Earth. Some are flung away into deep space, but others begin a terrifying journey toward us. With debris raining down, the planet is bombarded by lunar fragments. Thousands of meteors light up the skies. Many burn in the atmosphere, creating dazzling but dangerous fireballs. However, some massive pieces break through and crash into Earth's surface. Cities could be hit, tsunamis triggered, wildfires ignite. The moon, which once calmly reflected sunlight, the more significant problem begins to unfold: the loss of lunar gravity. The moon helps keep Earth's 23.5-degree axial tilt stable. Without its pull, Earth's tilt could start to wobble chaotically. That means drastic changes to seasons and weather. Some regions could go from temperate to freezing in a matter of years. With no moon to pull on Earth's oceans, tides would dramatically weaken. Coastal ecosystems that rely on tidal flows, like mangroves and estuaries, would collapse. Animals adapted to tidal rhythms, like crabs, sea turtles, and certain fish, would face extinction. The moon's gravity doesn't just affect tides, it affects time. Literally. The moon has been slowly slowing Earth's rotation. Without it, the Earth would spin faster over time. Days would get shorter. Instead of 24 hours, a day could shrink by minutes, then hours, over thousands of years. It might not happen overnight, but it would destabilize the planet's long-term rhythms, impacting sleep cycles, agriculture, and climate patterns. Here's the twist. Not all lunar debris would hit Earth. Many fragments would enter orbit, forming a temporary ring around our planet. For a while, Earth might resemble Saturn. It might even look beautiful. But that beauty comes with a deadly cost. This ring wouldn't be stable. It would continuously rain debris on us for years, potentially centuries. Satellites would be wiped out, communications gone, GPS, internet, television, all obliterated. Mankind would return to an analog age. And what about the psychological impact? The moon has been a cultural icon for thousands of years, guiding calendars, inspiring art, and religion. Its sudden disappearance would shock societies. For many cultures, it would feel like the apocalypse had arrived. But there's another wild effect. Without the moon's gravitational dance, Earth's orbit might subtly shift over millennia. While this wouldn't fling us into the sun, it could gradually move our position in the solar system, affecting how much sunlight we receive. That could eventually lead to climate collapse. So, what's the final verdict? If the moon exploded, Earth wouldn't be destroyed in a day, but it would be forever changed. Life would continue, but under radically different conditions. Humanity would face deadly impacts, from falling debris and shifting climates to technological collapse. Civilizations might fall. Entire species might vanish. And if we somehow survive, we'd do so under a sky permanently altered. A scarred reminder of our once silent guardian. But let's be clear, such an event is astronomically unlikely. The moon doesn't have the kind of volatile core needed for an explosion of this magnitude. It's geologically dead, with no tectonic or volcanic activity. So the scenario is purely hypothetical, but that's exactly why it matters. Asking what if helps us understand the delicate balance of life on Earth, how cosmic objects millions of kilometers away have a direct influence on our daily lives. Thanks for exploring this mind-bending question with Infinite If. If this video blew your mind like the moon blew up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another reality warping episode. And in the comments, tell us, what should explode next? The sun, Mars, or maybe Earth itself?